Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Project Maven. This topic relates to science and technology section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. Project Maven, the Pentagon's flagship artificial intelligence program, has gained attention due to its expanding role in modern warfare. It is increasingly being used to process large volumes of surveillance data and assist in real-time targeting decisions. Its relevance has grown further amid recent U.S. military operations linked to tensions involving Iran, where rapid strike capabilities and high-frequency targeting have highlighted the importance of AI-driven battlefield systems. Now let's discuss about Project Maven. Project Maven was launched in 2017 as an initiative to address the overwhelming amount of surveillance data generated in modern conflicts. Initially, military analysts had to manually examine hours of drone footage, making the process slow and inefficient. Maven introduced machine learning to detect objects and patterns in imagery, helping analysts identify threats quickly. Over time, it has evolved into a broader AI-assisted system integrating satellite, drone, and sensor data for real-time battlefield analysis. Now let's discuss about its role. Project Maven plays a crucial role in modern warfare by accelerating the kill chain, that is the process from identifying a target to executing a strike. By automating detection and integrating multiple data sources, it reduces decision-making time from hours to seconds. It also provides commanders with a comprehensive view of the operational environment, enabling faster and more efficient responses. This transformation has significantly enhanced the speed and effectiveness of military operations. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding Project Maven. 1. Project Maven was launched in 2015. To tackle the massive surveillance data in modern warfare. 2. It reduces the time taken in the kill chain from hours to seconds. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only B, 2 only C, both 1 and 2D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.